there's the bottom of the heatsink. Now one of these goes, I think it's this faces this way, so I can get this in, messing it up. Oh, they go this way, don't they? Because of the, I'm thinking more of the fan actually. That there's these little, what the heck are they? Like little catches. A minute. Darn. They go like it's like a hinge or something. Oh, I mean, I need to put the fan on, don't I? What am I doing? The fan's got to go back, hasn't it? Oh, of course. What am I thinking? Right, so the fan, you can see this is not going. Right, so the fan, which is what? Which way does that go? Hang on a minute. This is funny. Where does this go then? It does go this way. Let's see. Okay, let's see this. Why don't we just take that? Just like that without it in. Okay, and then it goes. Does it go that way? Does it go that way? I don't think it does. I think it goes. It must go this way. I think. Isn't it? Man, I don't know. Yeah, I think it goes this way. Yeah, that's a good idea. Well, it's easy to get it back to front. I know I was doing it wrong there. It kind of clips back in there. And then the fan goes like that. Yep, that's got to be it. I'm paranoid it's going to come out, isn't it? Okay. So I'm thinking that that's these bits here, and then you've got a little bit there. Yeah, because it goes over the top of that bit there. Okay. Brings the air through, and then it goes out the back basically. So it's like a BTX case. So. Right, what I need to do now is I can just leave that in. I don't know if I'm going to get away with this, but I'm trying to put in the big ass. Yeah, it only goes one way because there's that way. Yeah, and then it's pretty straightforward. It's more or less foolproof. These are, well, they should be anyway. After how many? I need the screwdriver to put it down. I wish I had some new thermal paste, but I've never taken that off there, and it kind of keys straight in. So. Springs. Do here. That's the main fan thing there. That's the audio that gives me the front panel, microphone and headphone socket. So yeah, decent of it. So that can go in there. And I wouldn't mind getting this fan put back in. It should work okay when I put it back together, hopefully. See, there's this here. Space for another fan, but I haven't got any space to put it in. It's just got another socket there for that. But. Okay. Just put that in there. That's going to go. So you get the hours. There. Clips in there. These SATA things are annoying. I don't know why they invented these. They snap if you pressure them. If you get dust in them, they can play up. So I really don't like that. Yeah. And the power. Where is the power? Where is the power? Was that the one? I don't know. Hang on a minute. Or was that one and then that one went? Now that's IDE in it in there. I keep forgetting that. Where is the SATA power? I don't know where it is. Unless I've moved it. There it is. It was hiding over there. Gosh, it's fun. Yeah, that's the. Is that the one? I don't know. Yeah, these are the power connectors. Power and data. It can go between there, it doesn't really matter where it goes, I suppose. That will go there. That's a spare one, I don't use that one. I don't know what I've got it in there for. I'm testing if I want to test the system with another. Oh, I'll get a dodgy hard drive and I want to see if it works. I'll just plug it into the other second drive. Get that, I don't want that in the way there because it's. Shove that there. I think we're pretty much finished on that. Let's just double check that. Heatsink is back in. Fan is back in. Fan is plugged in. Power and data for the hard drive is in. And then the fan power there is plugged into the back. So I'll try that and put it back together. And there's a little green light there. Comes the monitor, CRT. Hopefully won't give me a problem. Very quick loading on this, gotta be said. One of the lights is a little bit flaky on that thing. I have the thing. So yeah, that's what seems to be working alright. That's the Vista transformation pack with the Zune. I think it's called Zune. If I do all my video, some of my new editing on that. So there's the machine. It seems to be working okay. The fan, you can feel it going there, and then that's doing its job there. If it is dirty, it will make a lot more noise. I mean, it doesn't sound that much different to me because it wasn't that dirty, but it was dirty enough. But yeah, that seems to be working alright. Just want to see if this light, see this here. Give me that. I want to see if this fan's going on alright. Let's see that. That's going alright actually. I have no idea if you can see that. Yeah, that seems to be working right. Very critical. Pentium Ds need a lot of cooling, and especially if they're under load. And yes, I got me 5.1 sound blaster there because the sounding built on these isn't very good. The capture card, which is that second one up, it's very small. These are all PCI. There's no PCI Express, only on the graphics card. Graphics card is PCI Express 1, so it's not really fast, but it's as good as AGB times 8 on these. And the budget graphics card, this came with the machine. This was quite a good card. It's not too bad, it's better than integrated. Again, integrated is not very good. Got 2 gig of graphics, 2 gig of main memory there, but this machine is fine. We've got PATA, which is what this connector here, this black connector, this ribbon cable. And then we've got 2 SATAs on here, which is the hard drive. There is no other. Is that a floppy drive? Hang on a minute. I'm confused. Is that a floppy drive? This drive socket. Oh, that must be then. I didn't think it had one. That's weird. Because this black cable goes from the back of the optical, which is, I found this in the street, this optical drive. And it works absolutely fine. It's an old that goes to there because there's a path there. So that must be, I got that wrong, that must be a floppy drive then. I didn't think they had them on here. That's weird. I'd like to try that out and see if that would work actually. Floppy drive, PC, I think I've got one spare though I can use, because this is my Pentium, sorry, Core 2 Duo Wolfdale, that's a very late, it's got that latest sticker on it. 45nm that is. This is running as well. Well, this needs cleaning, this next one I want to do. 780, which is nice. This is twice this, so for something that takes 10 minutes on here, it'll take 20 minutes on the Pentium D basically, so yeah, that's pretty much working alright, but I'm confused about that floppy drive. I didn't think it still had that. I thought that was for the optical, but it's not, because the optical one's there. I know there's no second IDE for the hard drive, that's only for the optical. And then you've got two SATAs. You get two SATA drives, hard drives. This has been the Pentium D cleaning, disassembly and reassemblies. Next time I'll do this machine here because this is in need of a clean. This has been cleaned in about a year and it's dirty. So there's the Pentium D cleaned up and ready to go. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching and until next time, bye.